The demand for bringing in larger airflows through pitch of roofs has become more and more over the last few years. Problems with hooded tile terminals is that they can't cope with it, so the demand for a stacked terminal has come more to the forefront. The UB46, 7 and 8 is a range of insulated stacked terminals that UB have introduced this year. The UB46, 7 and 8 are come in black, made of polyethylene, stack with the UBFlex base. The 46 suits a 125, the 7 150mm diameter and the 48 a 180. It has a pitch limitation, can't go below 25 degrees. It has a Pascal resistance figure of less than 1 at 225 cubic meters an hour. Before installing the UB46, 7 and 8, please remember to make sure that the pitch of your roof is over 25 degrees. Once you roughly know where it's going to be, you mark on your felt a square of 160mm by 160mm and cut across in the felt. For the UB48, because it's a much larger diameter, that square needs to be 200 by 200 and the felt cut. Once you've cut it, as always, you lift the top section up and nail it onto the band. Two side sections are normally folded over and the bottom section folded down. We've cut the felt and we're introducing the UBFlex flashing. Now this just needs to be roughly positioned at the moment, because until the stack is positioned into it to make sure it's vertical, we don't need to mechanically fix it down. So as long as it's there. Also, with the size of this flashing and the coverage that we're going to get with the tiles or the slates, the two sides really don't need to be turned to create a water break. So we do that, and then we bring the stack in and position it through the hole in the felt. And we move it up and down until we roughly get the unit vertical. And with our trusty nail, we mechanically fix the UBFlex. We then bring the next tile down and mechanically fix that, as you should, as again BS5534, and the same with this one. The bottom edge should be stuck down with high tack. Sorry, comes in a tube about 20mm up from the leading edge, pushed in and kept in position to stop wind uplift. The rest of the roof is then tiled as normal.